name is Lavanya. I am studying 8th class in ZPH School, Regidi, Vijayanagaram district, Andhra Pradesh. I am excited to participate in GOES Avishkar Awards 2023, a national science project competitions. Srimati B. Uma Maheshwari Garu guided this project. Black plastic bags are polythene bags commonly used in nurseries for growing saplings, but they are more harmful to environment. They cause air, water and soil pollution. They cause blocking in sewage line and harmful to living beings. It is the better to use alternative for the black polythene bags are commonly used in nurseries for growing saplings. Biopots are intended to be planted directly in the ground. They are made from natural substances like paper pulp of egg trays, compost, coconut husk and sawdust. These raw materials are rich with micro and macronutrients which enables rapid growth of the plant. We can plant the saplings along with this biopot without disturbing the root system. These biopots are cost effective, organic and eco-friendly alternative to the black polythene bags. No need for drainage holes. They are strong and unbreakable. They promote healthy plant growth and root development. We can plant the saplings along with this biopot without disturbing the root system. We can prepare different sizes and shapes easily. They improve soil quality. Very easy to prepare. Preparation of biopots. Take the paste of the paper pulp and add sawdust, which is used for mulching, and add coconut husk. Use it for make the walls of the biopots porous so the air circulates through the pots easily from root development. After adding compost manure, which is rich with micro and macronutrients, which enables rapid growth of the plant, and mix well and fix this paste to steel bowls or glasses to make pots easily. After keeping this pot sunlight for 48 hours, we get eco-friendly biopots. Principle involved in this project is heat radiation. When we keep biopot in sunlight, the heat energy sun transferred to biopot through heat radiation gets dried. Friendly biopots. For example, paper pulp of egg trays 1 kg no cost, compost 250 grams no cost, coconut husk 250 grams no cost, fenugreek seeds 50 grams 10 rupees, total 10 rupees. We get 3 biopots from 2 kgs of this paste. We can make 3 biopots. Nearly 2 kgs of this paste we can make 3 biopots. So each biopot cost only 3 rupees. We prepare 2 kgs of this paste, we can make 3 biopots. So each biopot cost only 3 rupees. 1 kilo organic manure cost 30 rupees. I got 60 rupees worth of organic manure which enables rapid growth of the plant. They are low cost or no cost biopots. These are prepared from waste materials from our surroundings. For preparing biopots, we used wealth from waste formula. Paper pulp of egg trays, compost, coconut husk and sawdust, which are available in my surroundings. They are available in free of cost. I purchase a little amount of fenugreek seeds in this paste. I supply these biopots to the owners of the nurseries and got good results. I will try to develop this project in future. I supply these biopots to the owners of the nurseries. Please observing, sir. Pictures. Everyone should inculcate eco-friendly lifestyle to save Mother Earth. Leave plastic, live energetic. Thank you GOES team giving this golden opportunity. Thank you.